Holly and you're in my kitchen. And today we're going to be making fried chicken. For our ingredients, you'll need 1 teaspoon celery salt, 1 teaspoon garlic, salt, black pepper, and buttermilk, 1 quart, 3 cups flour, chicken. You can use any kind of chicken. I am using chicken tights. Let's get started. First, you will want to drizzle your salt, and you will want to put some of your pepper too. And now you want to mix it with your hands. We are going to add our buttermilk. And now we will leave it alone for about 15 minutes. The reason why we're putting buttermilk is because it tenderizes the chicken. Let's cover and put it in the refrigerator. In the meanwhile, let's put all our dry ingredients. Stir and mix until all ingredients are combined. Let's assemble our chicken. First, you will want to put your chicken in the mixture, and then you will want to start rolling it in there, and you will also want to put some of your mix on top of it to make it good. Just put all your mixture on it. I'm done covering my chicken, so let's cook it. Preheat your deep fryer to 375 degrees. And if you don't have a deep fryer, you can use a pan. You can use a frying pan with oil in it. Let's cook our meat. My deep fryer will tell me when it's done. Our chicken is done, so if you would like, you can put some tomato sauce or honey with spicy chili sauce, but you can mix those two together. I don't want to use anything, so let's try it. Delicious. For more videos and recipes, go to my website, www.hollyskitchen.weebly.com. Thanks for watching.